My name is Raul Bilecki. I'm a researcher, explorer, and this is Pillars of the Past. Join me as I embark on epic adventures to forgotten and lost locations to reveal pieces of our ancient past.
Found them.
Using everyday technologies to map out what I believe are the remnants of ancient architecture, I'll travel to some of Peru's most remote locations, journeying across mountains, through fertile valleys, forging through rivers, and enduring arid deserts on a quest to seek out and document these ancient sites. I'll navigate to places not listed on maps or official records. I'll find ancient cities reduced to rubble and others whose structures are buried and begging to be uncovered. I'll be befriended by helpful locals guiding me on my journey as I seek to capture the only modern media that exists of some of these locations. I'll discover undocumented temples, geoglyphs where they aren't supposed to be, come across countless artifacts and relics thousands of years old. I'll examine mysterious construction methods and find undeniable evidence of catastrophic events that forever changed landscapes. I'll stand in shock amidst savagely looted burial sites, littered with skeletal remains and debris that were once funerary wrappings. I'll tackle issues of preservation, have conversations with leading specialists at the top of their field. There will be new locations, new discoveries, and new research. And as Pillars of the Past continues to grow, I aim to establish the resources and connections for better equipment, better access, and the advanced technologies needed to better investigate, document, and capture these newly discovered and ancient forgotten sites. I believe there's an explorer in each of us. And I hope you join me on the next adventure.